Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm your host, Marian Honor, and today we'll be playing a little matchmaking game called Pusuan or Laruan!
Ikaw na yata akong mapupusuan. Gusto na tayong magkatuluyan. Ikaw ang mapupusuan. Daradat, ikaw na yata akong mapupusuan. Di akalain magkakastuhan. Ikaw ang mapupusuan.
Alright, here's how the game works. As you can see, we have a lineup of gorgeous single guys over here. Woohoo! And we'll also be bringing out some sexy single ladies one by one. So, kung napupusuan nyo ang ating sexy single, feeling nyo magmamatch kayo, or interested pa kayo sa masasabihin niya, do not pop your balloon. Pero kung feeling nyo di nyo siya masyadong type or di kayo magmamatch, you can go ahead and pop your balloon. Are you ready, singles? Alright, let's play Pusuan or Laruan! Here comes our first sexy single. Woohoo! Hi! Hello.
Hello.
Hi, so what's your name and how old are you?
Hi, I'm Nicole. I'm 25, turning 26 in 3 days.
Okay. Oh, all right. Happy almost birthday.
Thank you.
So ano naman job mo, Nicole?
I am a sales research assistant.
Oh, okay. How about your hobbies? Or what do you like to do for fun?
I like watching videos and also taking pictures and painting.
Okay, what kind of videos do you like to watch?
Brain rot.
Huh? Brain rot videos. Okay. Ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Sa personality mo na?
Personality, yung ka-vibe ko sa humor and at the same time in terms of emotional intelligence and marunong mag-respect ng boundaries.
Okay, so brain rot and emotional intelligence. Got it? Okay, so physical naman, anong hanap mo?
Matangkad, moreno, tsaka may salamin.
Oh, that's so specific. Okay, meron ba sa lineup? O, nagtuturoan yung guys? Okay, ano naman mga deal breakers mo? Or pag nalaman mong ganito yung potential partner mo, ayaw mo na?
Smoker.
Ooh, no smokers. Uy, ano grabe mag-react, makareact sa smokers. Well, right now, wala pa nagpa-pop sa ating lineup. So, never mind. Okay, let's go over there and find out kung bakit mo na siya nag-pop.
My name is Aldrin, 29. I'm a businessman. I own a music brand.
So, bakit ka nag-pop ng balloon?
Just not my type. Ganun lang.
Bakit naman?
Parang classmate na maasahan mo sa sa exam eh. Parang ganun. Parang ganun yung vibe eh.
Ganon ka ba? Do you agree with it? Ikaw ba yung nalalapitan ng classmates mo?
Actually, off.
Oh, okay. Sobrang accurate. Oh. Ano ba usually type mo?
I mean, no offense. Not into thick girls. Ganun lang. Just not into that.
Okay, thick with a double C. Thick. Do you have any response to that?
No, it's okay. I respect his preference. So, yeah.
Okay, pero type mo ba sana siya?
No.
Oh, bakit naman?
Height.
Height. Okay, do you want him taller? Ganon.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Any response to that? Is that something you get a lot?
Not really, pero I'm confident with my height. I think sakto lang.
Hindi lang match the preferences. Okay, well, thank you so much. Okay, let's go over here.
My name is Ralph. I'm 28 and IT support technician.
Okay, and Ralph, bakit ka biglang nag-pop ng balloon?
Sabi niya sa height mukhang mas matangkad pa yun sa akin ayan.
Talaga? Compare nga kayo, hindi joke. Siya ba, pasok sa height requirement mo? 50-50. Type mo ba sana siya kung hindi siya nag-pop?
Sucks lang.
Sucks lang. Bakit naman?
I mean, mukha naman siya mabait po.
Okay.
Yun po.
Hindi mo daw sure.
Hindi mo sure.
Hindi, kailangan niya, kaya ko naman sabayan.
Okay. So, ikaw hindi mo din siya type in that way?
I mean, apo.
Okay. Pero ikaw, kung wala siyang height requirement, type mo ba sana siya?
Hindi pa rin po
Bakit naman?
Napansin ko pala sa likod niya may tattoo siya.
Is that a deal breaker for you? Tattoos?
Yes.
Bakit naman?
Ako kasi wala akong tattoo, so dapat yung partner ko din is wala. Yun lang naman, pero hindi naman para sabihin na, ay, pag may tattoo masama. Hindi. Kasi ako nagtatattoo din ako. Pero yung, alam mo yung para sa akin, tattoo is parang more on design lang, parang damit. Tapos pag di nauso, tanggal, ganyan.
Yung mga henna tattoo yung ginagawa mo. Okay, so preference lang. Well, we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balloons left. So, ngayon magtanong ka na lang ng isang question to help you get to know them better.
Ano yung usual na ginagawa niyo pag weekends?
My name is Said, 26, freelancer. Sa weekends, nasa bahay lang ako, nagbabasa. I'm more of a homebody. kind of guy.
Arvin, 26, entrepreneur. Same, nasa bahay, but mostly because family, I like my kid. Not my children. Fine. My siblings, I call them my children sometimes because they're younger than me. Minsan, pag nayaya ng friends, Green Hills, we hang out, play card games.
Mga Magic the Gathering, ganon.
Yeah, more or less.
Okay.
Is that something you're into?
No, not really.
Never, kala ko naman.
Mel, hustler.
Nung klaseng hustler.
Ano,
Legal ba?
Anong pinaka-recent hustle mo?
buy and sell. Kahit ano, basta pag-aaperahan.
Okay, so yung answer mo naman sa question niya.
Ano ulit yun? Sorry.
Anong ginagawa mo
sa
pag
weekends?
Ano, basketball. Ayun lang. Basketball lang lagi. Basketball, mobile games, ganun. Pumera, yan.
Nem, 26, BPO. Tapos, what I do on weekends, play Valorant and leg day.
Leg day, as in sa gym.
Yep.
Okay, alright.
I'm Carlos, 28. I'm a property specialist. Ang ginagawa ko weekend, I'm playing basketball, spend my time with my family, and magsisimba rin ako. Pag may client, so work pa rin.
So based on those answers, I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop. Okay, and one more. Okay, lakas mag-pop na balloon. Galit na galit. Okay. Bakit siya yung pinili mo i-pop?
I don't play Magic the Gathering and other card games kasi. So,
Okay.
yeah, that's basically it.
Requirement ba na yung girlfriend mo naglalaro din nun?
No. I mean, it's my time with the boys, diba? So, we have our own preferences kung ano yung ine-enjoy mo, right? So, you enjoy brain rot, might as well, diba? No tayo tutong sahur sometime, I don't know.
Yun naman pala, hindi naman pala required.
Preference ko hindi naglalaro ng ganon.
Okay, but if not for that, type mo ba sana siya?
No po, parang friend.
Friend? Oh, what
Yes
gave
po.
off the friend vibe for you?
I was part of like yung study group na puro mga smart kids na nag-aaral talaga. So,
Okay.
ayun. Kaya it kind of is reminiscent of that.
Oh, yun yung basa mo sa kanya.
Yeah.
Any response to that?
Mukha pala ako smart. Thank you.
Hindi ba totoo?
Totoo naman, but still.
Pero type mo ba sana siya?
I mean, sana. Diba? I'd like to get to know her more, but, you know.
Final ka na doon?
Yes po.
Oh, okay. Well, thank you so much. So, bakit siya pinili mo pa i-pop?
Kasi parang siya yung mga boys in the back na kapag pumunta ng CR daw, tapos babalik ng classroom na may dala-dala ng turon.
Ang specific nga eh, no? Pero mukhang nakaka-relate siya eh. Tingnan natin. Ganun ka ba? Alam mo na alam. Grabe. Manghuhula ka pala.
Yes, I do tarot readings sometimes.
Card readings.
Yes.
Ay naman pala eh.
Tama. Lagi po akong ganun. Lagi ako special group sa school eh.
Special group sa Pero type mo pa sana siya kung hindi kanya pinop.
Lahat po type ko, basta type ako. Hindi rin.
Madali pala kausap to eh. O, final ka na doon.
Yes po.
Okay, we still have 1, 2, 3 balloons left. So magtanong ka ng isa pang question.
I'm not a very family-oriented person, so I just want to know if that's just like a huge deal breaker for you.
Yes, actually, wait, let me...
Hala! Oh!
Because I'm a family-oriented guy, so spending time with parents, siblings is important for me. Yeah, I forgot to mention, that was my Sunday thing.
Any response to that?
No, it's okay. I respect that preference. And of course, upbringing din kasi that helps, shape a person for who they are. So it's okay.
Okay. If not for that, type mo ba sana siya?
Yeah.
I would, but then again, sorry, priority and values.
Ikaw, type mo sana siya kung hindi niya sinabi yun.
Yeah, he's okay kasi he reads books daw eh.
Oh, sayang naman. Set na tayo doon. Okay, well, thank you so much. Okay, let's go back to the Q&A.
No, that's not deal breaker for me because I understand where you're coming from.
Pero family-oriented ka ba?
Not much. So I understand where she could be coming from.
For me, I'm a family-oriented naman na guy. Pero it's okay naman kung ano yung preference niya, kung ano naman siya. Tanggap ko siya anytime. Yung love kasi is not all about core family. Decision kasi love is partner kayo. Kayo dapat yung magde-decide, hindi yung family. So yung family is totally support lang talaga siya. Kung hindi family-oriented yung partner ko, it's okay. I oriented na lang, being partner na lang. Ako na lang mag-orient sa kanya. Kung ever na may mali siyang ginagawa. But in the good.
May orientation pala.
Yeah, we have an orientation in the partner kasi if you don't have any connection or communication to your partner, wala, hindi mag-work yung relationship nyo.
Okay. Well, I was gonna ask you to pop, pero dalawa na lang sila. And usually, pag dalawa na lang ang balloon, sila naman na magtatanong ng question sa'yo.
Okay.
So, what's your question for our sexy single?
How do you handle quarrel? Do you want it to be solved but by the end of the day or just mag-cool down muna and then talk about it tomorrow?
I'm a very tactless person kasi. So, in the past relationships, kapag may away kami, usually just simmer down muna kasi I know that I have the tendency na if I'm mad, magtatalak talaga ako. So, I try my best to like separate myself from the situation to be more level-headed. So, that's why if ever na ready na ako makipag-usap, then that's when I would make sure that I'd be talking to the person, my partner, about it if there's a problem.
Does that boil into silent treatment or no?
Sometimes ganun siya. Kasi parang ayokong magsabi ng things that I would say that I don't really mean na makakasakit ng feelings ng iba kasi di ako magaling manuyo. So, ayun. Kaya I try my best to make sure na hindi muna ako magsasalita so that I won't regret the things that I say.
All right, and over here, what's your question for our sexy single?
What is love for you?
Ang deep naman ng simple question mo.
Pang slam book
Yeah,
pala
pero
siya.
may meaning kasi yan for me.
Love for me is like having a sense of duty din. Kasi hindi lang siya full of emotions. Parang, mahal ko tong taon to. Pero there are times that it gets rough. So parang, also, you need to have purpose and duty na parang, I'm going to be committed to this person. This is going to be the person that I'm going to be with for the long run. So, ayun.
What's important to you? Career or love?
Career.
Okay.
Kasi hindi ka mapapakain ng love.
Okay. Any more follow-up? You're good.
I'm good na.
Okay na. Okay, so since wala sa kanilang dalawang nag-pop, ikaw ang mamimili ngayon. I'd like you to choose one balloon to magpa-pop ka hindi? Oh, never mind. Okay, let's go back over here. Ba't ka biglang nag-pop ng balloon?
I'm really sorry kasi di ba I asked about the silent treatment and I already had that experience kasi and para kasing ang mangyayari doon mag-accumulate lang yung problems and then later on it would be nagkaroon ng emotional outburst yung babae and then lahat na nandun mababanggit na and then mag-end up sa mag-break na.
Natatakot ka dahil she's prone to silent treatment.
Okay lang mag-cool down and then before the day ends, fix the quarrel and then basta yung bago kayo matulog, syempre mayroon pa rin good night, di ba? Ganyan. Tapos may good morning kinabukasan.
Gaano ba katagal yung silent treatment mo? Umaabot ba ng next day yon? Ilang 1 year? Oh.
Grabe naman sa 1 year, hindi naman.
Baka kasi may 1 week leave. Baka kasi may
Grabe,
1
hindi
week leave.
na. Tumatawad. Hindi naman siya umaabot ng ganun. It's something that I've been adjusting and also, yun, na parang, sige, kahit na I'll try to say goodnight, I'll try to, mag-greet ganun kahit papano. Para hindi lang completely, parang feeling na abandon, ganun.
Paano yun?
I see.
Pero gusto mo na ayos na bago pa mag-nighttime? Or okay lang na kahit hindi pa kayo maayos, mag-good night man lang and good morning?
Basta bago magtulugan.
Gusto mo resolve na by the end of the day, ganun?
Pag-usapan lang po kahit hindi resolve.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So tingin mo magagawa mo yun or hindi?
I mean, I could. Kaso nga lang kasi, I was going to pop him kasi
Bakit?
he can't look me in the eye.
Oh.
You have difficulty articulating your words. You tend to stutter. So parang, ayun, it's just something na parang how can you communicate if you're going to stutter?
Okay, so I guess set na kayo na hindi kayo match sa isa't isa. Since we have one balloon left, please join us over here. Woo-hoo! Let's give him a round of applause. But before we proceed, do you guys have any final questions for each other? How about from you?
Are you into going to museum dates?
Yeah. Totally in high school, my favorite subject is AP. Naroon pang lipunan. Gusto ko lang din kasi siya malaman. Totally. Part kasi siya ng culture ng Philippines.
Alright, mukhang match naman kayo doon. How about from you? Meron ka pang final question para sa kanya?
Paano mo i-handle yung situation pag yung partner mo is a busy person? On my profession, hindi ako all the time nakakapag-message because my priority right now is my client. So sabi mo nga, hindi tayo mapapakain ng mahal kita, makita lang kita, kumakain busog na ako. 'Di ba? So paano mo siya may handle? Kasi totally, for me, ayoko rin din sa partner na stress na ako, dadagdagan pa.
Well, luckily, I'm an only child, so I grew up being independent and also I learned how to live my own life. And also, since I do have a job, may pinagkakaabalahan din naman din ako sa buhay and as much as possible, I do try to have a social life. So, it's okay na ganun na if busy, I would understand.
Okay, so if okay ka na doon, I'm gonna ask you guys now. Ay, meron pa ba? One last. Oh.
Silosa ka?
Yes.
May pagsasalosan ba? Bakit naman?
Yeah, kasi pagdating kasi sa selos, it depends talaga yon sa situation, di ba? Pero all the time kasi, I have lot of clients, like makita lang magpa-picture, may picture kayo ng client. Hindi po na kasi may ask me ganun. May trauma kasi ako sa ganun sa selosa. That's why I asking always if you are very selosa. Kasi for me, selos is a big deal. Kasi on my way, if you're matured, siguro naman, hindi naman totally matured for that. Na parang pag nagsiselos kasi na talaga nang hindi naman confirm. Kasi may ganun Kasi I never trust kasi na sabihin na, hindi, depends sa situation. Pero all the time, pag tumagal kayo, ganun. May time na, sino yan? Sino to? Sino to? Ayoko nang ganun.
Would that be a problem for you?
No.
Mga picture lang with the clients, ganun. Oh,
No.
Yeah, it's a problem. Pero tuloy, may clients na may hangout, lalabas kayo.
I actually have a background in sales, so I have the idea of what you need to do. So,
so hindi naman problem for you. Parang gets mo na for work yun.
yes.
Oh, paano yun? Or set ka na ba talaga sa decision mo?
Yeah, yung sa selos kasi talaga trauma ako dyan So talaga may trauma ako dyan. I never trust kasi na pag sinabi mong hindi ako selosa is talaga kung selosa ka, same. Alam ko yan, dyan magbubunga lahat ng pag-aaway. Lalabas-lalabas yan yung kahit sabihin natin na mayroon kang perspective for sales na parehas tayo. No, it's not all about sales. It's same lang ng nature. Magkakaibang sales. Any kind kasi ng sales, hindi pare-parehas. So, me, in my profession, I'm going other places. Going dito, punta ko sa unit ng client. So, ayoko kasi nung partner ko is mag-overthink. Kaya gusto ko yung hindi selosa.
I actually have gone to courtesy visits where my sales officer I would accompany the sales officer to the clients. So I kind of have an idea.
So
on
hindi
how it
naman
is.
sana
So,
problem for
yeah,
you.
but it's
Oh,
okay.
well, okay. Well, it seems like you're set on your decision already, so we'll just respect that. And thank you so much, both of you, for joining. Unfortunately, we do not have a match for this round, but I hope you can join us again next time. Thank you so much. Thank you. Here comes our next sexy single. Woo! Hi! Hello. So, what's your name and how old are you?
Bree, 24.
Okay, and Bree, ano namang job mo? What do you do for a living?
I manage a rental property.
Oh, okay. Ano namang hobbies mo? Or what do you like to do for fun?
I really like going out, like going to cafes, to new restaurants.
Okay, cafe and restaurant hopping, gano'n.
Yeah,
Okay.
bars as well.
Alright. And bars.
I like
May pahapon.
partying. Yeah, I love partying.
Partying. Okay. Ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Sa personality muna.
I really like a guy with emotional intelligence,
Okay.
has a provider mindset,
Alright.
and I like a man who can lead. Yeah.
Lead. Okay. Sa ano naman? Physical?
Tall,
Tall. Okay, why did you say it like that? Tall. Ano pa?
pogi.
Okay. Oh, uy. Okay. Cliname niya na hindi siya pasok doon. Okay, so tall and foggy. Let's leave it at that. So deal breakers. Anong deal breakers mo? Pag nalaman mong ganito yung potential partner mo, ayaw mo na.
Toxic. And
Toxic.
Then,
What's
yung-
toxic for you?
Siguro yung sinashrug off pag may problem, ganon.
Gusto mo
Yeah,
mas nagko-communicate, ganun.
Yeah, I really like masculine guys. Talagang guy.
Okay, so masculine men. Okay. All right. Well, right now, merong isa na nag-pop ng balloon, no? Isa lang ba? Okay, isang... Oh, dalawa. Wait, nagtatanong lang ako. Nagdaga naman ito. Okay. So, may dalawang nag-pop... Final na yun, ah. Oh, may dalawa nag-pop ng balloon. So, let's go over there and find out kung ba't sila nag-pop.
Ralph, 28, IT support technician.
Okay, so, ba't ka bigla nag-pop ng balloon?
Doon pa lang sa height, nagdadalawang isip na ako eh. Tapos, nagkataon lang na, nung pinutok niya sinabing pogi, naku, pasensya na, ganito ako eh. Tsaka,
Okay.
mukha siya mayaman, kaya, hindi ko siya mahawakan na nahihiya ako, kaya parang hindi talaga. Mas masakit pag pinutok niya ako, kaya unahan ko na siya, putokan ko siya.
Paano ba yun? May punto ka na nangyayari yung lobo. Sabi mo siya eh. Oh. Grabe to ha. Oh, so sa height lang sana. Kaya lang sumabay lang yung pop mo dun sa pagsabi niya ng pogi.
Pero, wala eh, hindi talaga. Pangit ako eh.
No naman, you're cute naman.
Oh, yun naman pala, cute ka naman daw eh. Ay, yung ngiti niya oh, iba oh. Parang sira daw to. Pasok ba siya sa requirements mo, you think?
O, di ba? Okay lang, okay lang.
Siguro parang tropa.
Bakit naman tropa?
Ganun yung nasa-sense kong vibe sa kanya. Ay na lang kita sa inuman next
Oh.
Diyan tayo magkakasundo.
Oh, may inuman body ka na. Pero type mo ba ano siya kung pasok ka sa requirements niya?
Parang tropa lang din talaga.
Bakit?
Langit siya, lupa ako.
Sure friend lang yung tingin mo sa kanya.
Sure na.
Okay, well... okay, well, thank you so much.
Meo, ayun ulit, Asler, 26.
So, ba't ka nag-pop ng balloon?
Eh, alam ko hindi niya magugustuhan eh.
Tama ba siya doon?
Hindi naman sa gano'n.
Hindi naman sa ganun, pero parang ganun na nga. Ano, type mo ba siya or hindi? Oh, hindi. O,
Tropa,
bakit?
tropa.
Bakit tropa vibe?
That's what I'm sensing.
Ano ba to? Wala naman ako nafe-feel dito nasa-sense.
Yun lang yung nasa sense ko sa kanya. Parang,
Ganon. Oh, ikaw may response ka ba doon?
Wala. Okay lang.
Pero type mo sana siya.
Ayun yung mga gusto kong babae. Yun di ako gusto.
Okay, so set na tayo sa decision na yun. Ayaw mo siya bigyan ng balloon back? No, hindi
tropa,
na.
tropa.
Tropa. Okay, well, thank you so much. Okay, we still have 1, 2, 3. 4 balloons left. Okay, may nag-pop over here.
Said 26, a freelancer.
So, bakit ka nag-pop ng balloon?
Napaisip ako sa, you like a masculine man. Very introvert ako and submissive as a partner. Very soft.
Is he an exception to your rule? Like, pasok ba siya kahit
Pwede.
na?
Pwede naman. Pwede.
Okay, so you would be okay with giving him a balloon back kung willing siya?
Okay lang.
Oh.
Yeah, sure.
You want your balloon back? Okay, let's give him a balloon back. Woohoo! Okay, so you have your balloon back. So more on that later. Okay, so back to this. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balloons left. So ngayon magtanong ka na isang question to help you get to know them better.
Okay, so how do you treat a girl you really like?
Of course, get to know her. How you want to be loved, like what are your interests, what do you like to do for fun? Because build a foundation with how she wants to be cared for, not how I would think she would want to be cared for.
Are you good with that or may follow-up ka?
Good answer.
Okay.
Arvin, 26, entrepreneur. More or less the same. I'd get to know you, di ba? You said you like cafe hopping, restaurant hopping. So I'd like to, know your preferences in food, di ba? So what type of dates we'd go on. Syempre, of course, provider mindset. I'd pay for the dates. And the same thing, general naman, love language. I have to, research how you get love. What types do you enjoy outside of course, the things that you've mentioned?
Hi, Nem, 26, BPO. Yung tanong mo is magbo-boil down siya sa kung anong giving love language ko, which is, ang napapansin ko talaga is giving gifts. And then second one is words of affirmation. Yun talaga yung napapansin ko kung paano ko in-express yung pagmamahal ko, not just to my special someone, but also to my friends and family.
I'm Carlos, 28. I'm a property specialist. Siyempre, before you enter the relationship, kailangan mong aralin kung ano yung mga gusto niya, ano yung mga magpapasaya sa kanya. And then, how to handle yung situation, totally the plus. Kailangan alam mo yung kung bakit siya nagagalit. Totally the girls, just only to lang naman siya ba't siya nagagalit. Unang-una at may ginawa ka or tinotopak lang yan. Ganun lang siya. Dapat alam mo yun.
So sinusunod niya yung gusto ng girl.
Yeah,
Okay,
seriously.
okay.
Diba, pag nagmahal ka, dapat happy nga nila, happy wife, happy life.
Yeah, exactly.
And you believe in that?
Yeah, I believe that.
I also
Thank you.
believe in that.
You also believe in that? Okay, because it benefits you.
Of course.
My name is Aldrin, 29. I'm a business owner. Nasa music industry ako. I own a music brand. So, check ko muna kung magugustuhan ko talaga siya. Bago tayo pumunta ng mga Tagaytay na kapiyan or mas malayong doon muna tayo sa simpleng lang. Parang check ko muna talaga kung magva-vibe bago mag-proceed ng dates na malayo or doon muna tayo sa sa parking lot na kapihan. Parang ganun.
Pero pag kunwari, type mo na siya, kayo na, how would you treat her?
O, tsaka tayo punta ng ng mas malayong lugar, hindi na kikwekan. So, parang dahan-dahan lang, di ba? Parang bigay ko muna yung deserve na, bago yung simple lang muna.
Thank you so much. Okay, so based on those answers, I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
Alright.
Okay, so bakit siya yung pinili mo i-pop?
Mas nakikita ko talaga din yung friend vibes kesa sa relationship.
Bakit naman?
We're both too similar, I think, when it comes to sa mga gusto natin.
Mga hobbies ba? Ganon?
He also likes cafe hopping, restaurant hopping, ganon.
Ayaw mo nang gusto yung cafe hopping.
I mean, okay lang naman. Pero for me, kasi mas okay may onting difference.
Okay. And your response to that?
I said I would research what types of cafes you like and then take you there. I didn't say I like cafe hopping. Also,
okay,
I have a question. May radar ba ng friendship? Pura friend vibes yung pinap mo ah.
Yeah, sinabi niya yung cafe hopping kasi gusto niya mag-adjust to what you like, ganun.
okay,
Pero
okay.
hindi naman yun yung personal na mga hobbies niya. So does that change your mind at all?
No.
Oh, why?
Friend.
Friend talaga. Ikaw, type mo ba sana siya?
Yeah. Yun nga, di ba? I want to get to know you more. I mentioned earlier, di ba? Paano tayo magkakaroon ng like a relationship, walang common ground, you research everything, what you like, what I like, we get an exchange, right? Because you have differences on how we are.
Alright, so I guess hindi lang talaga match. Okay, and you also popped his balloon. Hello. So bakit siya yung isa mo pang pinili i-pop?
I feel like we're not gonna vibe.
Why? In what way?
I just sense it.
You sense it. Bakit may sinabi ba siyang nag-set off for you?
Wala naman. Okay lang naman yun. I also do that. Like, quick dates and like
parang
simple coffee
leveling
dates
up.
lang. Yeah, sometimes I just, malakas lang yung feeling ko na
Okay.
hindi kami magva-vibe.
Do you agree with her?
Yeah. Parang contradicting yung ina-expect niya sa ina-expect ko din eh. Parang ganun. Magkaiba lang ng daan.
Ano yung specific?
Yung long term na, feel ko mag-relate nga tayo sa get mga a few weeks magkaka-vibe ganyan. Pero parang feel ko
Or
parang
baka
sa long
one
term
date
pa kayo.
na.
Ha?
After one date mo na.
Pwedeng ganun, baka ganun lang din.
But if not for that, type mo ba sana siya kung hindi ka niya pinop?
Hindi ka ako type eh. So tama si bossing talaga for the past few minutes. So yeah, hindi gan.
Okay. Gusto mo sana nag-reciprocate din kasi talaga, ganun.
Yeah. Lahat naman tayo, di ba?
Okay, so we still have 1, 2, 3. 3 balloons left. So I'd like you to ask another question to get to know them better.
If I ask you to unfollow a girl on Instagram, are you gonna unfollow her?
I think that would depend. Any girl.
If she makes me uncomfy.
I mean, no, if that would make you uncomfy, then
Kunyari na-meet mo sa bar, tapos you guys followed each other.
I like stranger lang. Of course, stranger siya, so walang priority, walang value sa buhay ko.
Would you also ask him to unfollow a friend? Like, kung wari, meron na siyang friend na girl, ganun.
I'm not that shallow.
Okay, so yung lang, bago lang. Okay.
Hey, sure. No other questions asked. I can unfollow. Basta, di ko naman talaga kilala personally. Pero kung friend na babae, wala namang something na dahilan para i-unfollow, di ba? Kapag totally stranger, block ko pa eh.
Wow! Okay, hindi lang unfollow, block pa. Okay, thank you so much.
Unfollow natin yun. Important pa rin talaga yung partner mo.
Paano kapag client? Kasi di ba sabi mo, ayaw mo sa selosa?
Pag client naman, siyempre, siyempre, they have an explanation naman for that. So, paparid ko sa kanya yung conversation kung wala naman siya nakikita. Pero kung gusto niya talaga i-unfollow, sige na, mag-resign na lang ako. Wala tayo, mag-ano.
Resign talaga. Okay, so isa block ito, resign talaga. Okay, thank you so much. So, based on those answers, I'd like you to choose 1 balloon to pop.
Or ay,
Okay. Alright, so bakit siya yung pinili mo i-pop?
siguro based sa sagot ng dalawa, ay sa tatlo.
Okay.
Sa kanya yung pinaka
Ikaw yung nagsabi ng iba-block mo pa, di ba?
Okay.
You don't like that?
Okay lang, pero yung explanation niya kasi is nagustuhan ko pati sa kanya.
Oh, okay. Any response to what she said?
No, that's her.
Siya yun. Pero type mo pa sana siya kung hindi ka niya pinop.
Sakto lang po.
Sakto lang. Bakit naman?
Goods lang lang.
Okay, napaka-nonchalant nito.
Alam po, hindi naman masyadong type, di rin hindi.
50-50.
Yeah.
Okay, so since dalawa na lang sila, sila naman ang magtatanong ng questions sa'yo to help them get to know if you're a good match for them.
What are your interests? Anong gusto mong ginagawa? Like, as a side hobby?
I like drawing, designing, clothes, ganyan.
Design clothes?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Because I freelance as a model as well.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's great. Yung course ko nung college, like, fashion designer.
Oh, that's
I didn't pursue it na, kaya I do it as a hobby na lang. But I still design naman until now.
Okay, and over here, your question for our sexy single.
Mahaba ba pasensya mo?
No.
Grabe naman mga putok. Parang may trauma na. Oh, bakit ka biglang nag-pop?
Yan, sabi ko nga dun sa first, di ba? Silosa yun. Ayoko sa silosa. Pag maikli ang pasensya, matik yun. Silosa din yun.
I know, I'm not salosa.
Pero, it's a partnership of selos kasi. Pag may pasensya mo totally, dyan din nag-start yung argument. Ayoko nung stress. Kasi stress na ako sa work, stress pa ulit. Yung magugulo na yung isip ko niyan eh. In my profession kasi, I have lot kasi na dapat aralin. Totally lahat. Halos na project namin is buong Pilipinas. So parang lahat yun dapat alam mo. Everyday ko siya inaaral. So, if ever na may ikli pasensya mo, mamaya kasi hindi ko lang narinig, may inuutos ka. Dahil sa ikli ng pasensya mo, pag-aawayan pa natin. So nawala na naman ako doon sa focus.
I think it depends naman. Kasi yung sa may clip pasensya,
In what way bang sa'yo? na
I just don't
impatient?
like tolerating nonsense.
Like,
You know, there are certain situations na nakakaikli ng pasensya. Yung andaling i-gets, hindi magets, ganun. Pero yung mga ganyan na, ano lang naman,
Focus on
very
work.
simple situation, I can handle it. Again, I'm not that
does that change your
shallow.
mind?
It depends sa situation. Mahirap makagets. So sabi ko nga sa'yo, everyday ko inaaral yan. So meron akong times na biglang nabablanko. Bigla akong nawawala sa focus. So parang hindi ko siya kagad nagigets. So kung may cling ano mo nun, hindi mo maintindihan yung situation na gano'n na hindi ko kagad siya nagets.
Do you think that would be an issue for you pag ganun?
I'm understanding kasi kahit maikli yung pasensya ko. Siguro.
Okay.
Oo na lang, be.
Oo na lang daw. Okay, well, set ka na doon. Okay, well, thank you so much. Okay, well, we have one balloon left. So please join us over here. Actually, dito ka na. Isang step lang. Okay, so before we proceed, do you guys have any final questions for each other? How about from you?
So do you believe in like 50-50, not just on the first date, on the long run?
When paying the bill?
50-50.
Yeah, I do. Pwede din I can pay for everything if may kaya ko or, you know, I believe in equal
Yeah.
opportunity.
Yeah.
Okay, how about you? May final question ka pa?
Yung morals and values nila, does it matter?
Yes,
For you.
it does, of course.
Okay. That's
Okay, I thought that was gonna be a problem or something. Okay, so kung wala na kayong final questions for each other, I'm gonna ask you guys now. Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
yeah, sure.
Okay, and sure ka na ba sa kanya? Okay! We have a pusuan match! Alright, so please take each other's hand. Holding hands and go off into your happily ever after. Congratulations! Here comes our next sexy single. Woo! Hi! Hello. So, what's your name and how old are you?
Hi, my name is Kiara. I'm 25 years old.
Okay, and Kiara, anong job mo or what do you do for a living?
I'm still studying BS Psychology po.
Ooh, okay. Ano namang hobbies mo? What do you like to do for fun?
I love watching Netflix.
Netflix.
Great.
What shows?
Like movies,
Okay.
thriller. Yeah.
Okay. Ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Sa personality muna.
The one who has consistency and who can validate my feelings.
Sa physical naman, anong hanap mo?
Matangkad.
Okay.
Because I'm 5 flat lang.
So, 5'1", pasok pa rin yun.
5'5".
Okay. Alright. Ano naman mga deal breakers mo? Or pag nalaman mong ganito yung potential partner mo, ayaw mo na?
Kapag nandyan lang sila kapag convenient para sa kanila.
Ooh,
Yeah.
okay. So that's where consistency comes in.
Yes.
Okay. Alright, well right now, wala pa nagpa-pop sa ating lineup. So, never mind. Okay. Oh, nangyari. Okay, so it seems like merong mga nag-pop sa ating lineup. So let's go over there and find out kung bakit. Name, age, and job, please. May pa-shades na taas ng araw, ah. Okay, I'll go.
Mel, Masler, 26.
Okay, so ba't ka bigla nag-pop ng balloon?
Nagugutom na ako tsaka ba magkaroon ako ng kasalanan.
Oh, bakit naman? Anong klaseng kasalanan to?
Boys lang nakakaalam.
Okay. Do you have any response to what he said?
Wala po.
Okay. Pero kung di siya nag-pop ng balloon, type mo ba sana siya?
No.
Oh, why not?
Not my type.
Physically or the vibes?
Physically.
Bakit? Ano bang nakikita mo sa kanya?
Parang maliit siya for me.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So it's the height. And do you have any response to that?
No comment.
No comment. Pero type mo ba sana siya if not for that?
Hindi ko type yun, hindi ako type eh.
Ayan na naman tayo. Okay, let's leave it at that. Thank you so much. Okay, and you also popped your balloon?
Hi, Nem, 26 BPO. The main reason is just not my type.
In what way? Bakit?
The vibes.
Ano bang vibe yung nakukuha mo sa kanya?
It's just the initial intuition that you receive from the lady.
So yung intuition mo, sinasabi na no, it's a no for you.
Yeah.
Pero walang specific reason.
Let's add the preference as well. Something. Yeah, yun lang po.
Okay. Do you have any response to what he said?
Well, di ko rin naman siya type. So it's a
Okay.
tie.
It's a tie. Bakit hindi mo siya type?
Well, I think he's too small for me.
It's really just the height.
Yeah.
If he was a bit taller.
Still no.
Oh, bakit?
No.
Just no. Okay. Any other comment?
I'm 5'6". I don't think I'm small.
But for me, you look small.
We put ourselves side by side. I don't look small.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so ikaw nag-pop ka din ng balloon mo.
Aldrin, 29, businessman, music industry. So, parang yung vibe niya kasi parang madalas sa sa Pobla, parang ganun. Parang din, kidding aside, parang madalas sa night scene yung vibe.
Well, that's true. Lagi ako nasa Pobla.
Is that a problem for you?
Di ba, yung mga ganong places. I mean, di lang ako fond into women na mahilig mag-clubbing.
Bakit naman?
Alam na natin lahat yun, siguro.
Kaya ako nga tinatanong eh.
I mean, di ba, we got better things to do. Parang instead of clubbing, mapalalaki or babae. Parang lalo na sa babae, I mean, no offense, you do you. Pero for me, it's a red flag yung madalas sa, hindi lang Pobla. Hindi lang Pobla. Pero yung isang main pang, na nasabi niya is parang pumupunta lang kapag free time lang yung guy or kung hindi lang ako, kung piloto yan or seaman yan, di ba? Walang time yun, pero yung mga ganung tao, kahit papaano, sa free time nila mabibigay siguro yung hinihingi mo, which is a red flag para sa'yo.
Do you have any response to what he said? Do you agree?
Well, I do club for fun lang naman. And it's you. It's your judgment, so... Okay.
Okay. Pero type mo ba sana siya kung di siya nag-pop?
No.
Oh, bakit?
Small.
It's just the height din.
Yes.
And if he was a bit taller, pasok siya.
No.
Oh, bakit naman?
Because the vibe is not given to me.
Oh, why? What's the vibe that he's giving?
I think he's judging me because I go to club. Not for me.
Okay. Any response to that?
Yeah, yun ang type niya eh. So, pwede sa club siya maganap.
Oh my God.
Okay. Well, thank you so much.
Okay.
All right. So, may narinig ako nag-pop dito ng balloon. Hello? Okay. So, name, age, and job muna.
My name is Ralph. I'm 28 and IT support technician.
So, ba't ka nag-pop ng balloon?
Pinap niya yung 5'6", 5'5" lang ako. Ayun. Tsaka, yung sinabi niya na gusto niya ma-validate yung
Feelings?
feelings. Your feelings are valid. Tapusin mo yung pag-aaral ng psychology, malay mo, dun mo mahanap yung the right one mo.
Okay.
Okay. Thanks for the advice, I guess. Oh, pero kung pasok ka sa height requirement niya, type mo ba sana siya?
Hindi rin. Kasi magkaiba kami ng vibe. So, wala naman akong problema sa mga taong nasa bar. Kasi once din naman na nakapunta rin ako sa bar, masasaya silang kasayawan. Pero yung other than that, hindi ko nakikita ang sarili kong nababagay ako sa ganun lugar.
So you want someone something in common with you, ganun?
Absolutely.
Alright. Siya ba? Type mo ba sana siya kung di siya nag-pop?
Yeah.
Oh, really? Okay.
You want your balloon back?
Yeah, do you?
Okay lang ba yung 5'5"?
Okay lang daw na 5'5" siya.
Yeah.
Oh, sige. Okay. Alright, let's give him his balloon back. Okay, so more on that later. Okay, so right now we have 1, 2, 3 balloons left. So I'd like you to ask a question to get to know them better.
Do you fall for people quickly or do you take your time?
More on, gusto kong makilala yung tao. Yung kumbaga sa libro, ayoko siyang i-judge muna sa first page. Gusto kong malaman from, siguro mula pagkapanganak, sino yung mga naging kaibigan mo. family-oriented ka ba? How many exes you have? Tapos, ano yung common ground natin? Paano natin i-workout to? Para humantong tayo sa happily ever after. Ayun lang.
Okay, so slow burn for you.
Arvin, 26, entrepreneur. Yeah, same thing, slow burn, but less on the side of personal history, more of I want to know you more as a person before I fall in love with you. I am a firm believer of mas gusto ko munang we get to know each other, maybe we become friends, and then kung merong more feelings will happen. Because feelings for me are just feelings. Sabi mo nga, you want something consistent, right? When you love somebody, for me, it's just consistent effort backed up by the feelings.
Hi, I'm Carlos, 28 years old. I'm a property specialist. I'm a slow burn, but it depends sa situation. Hindi mo makokontrol yung feelings mo if ever na in love ka na talaga. Kahit mabilis o mabagal man siya. Kasi kung consistent nga, sabi mo, you need a consistent na guy. Kasi malalaman mo siyang consistent siya pag naging kayo na. Doon mo makikita lahat.
Okay, so based on those answers, I'd like you to choose 1 balloon. Top hop.
I'm gonna pop you. Sorry.
Oh, who popped whose balloon? You popped your own balloon?
Yeah.
Okay, bakit ka nag-pop bigla ng balloon? Dahil papalapit na siya sa'yo?
Yeah, I know naman eh. So, talagang ganun din man yung, it depends naman sa kanya. So, for me kasi, talagang ayun yung perspective ko. So, hindi ko siya pwedeng pilitin.
Well, why were you going towards him?
Well, I pop his balloon because para dun sa friend ko kanina. Kay Gail.
Oh, para sa friend mo.
Yeah, that's me.
So, it's revenge for your friend
Yeah, revenge
getting
for
rejected?
Gail.
Okay.
Sorry.
Kung hindi niya ginawa yun, type mo ba sana siya?
Still no.
Oh, bakit naman?
Medyo mahangin. Yeah.
Do you get that a lot?
No. For me kasi, I have reference talaga eh. Hindi naman for me is not mahangin kasi pag may reference ka sa isang bagay. Hindi siya all about doon. Totally, kung may standard ka rin. So, ibig sabihin nun ba nun is mayabang ka? No. I have a standard kasi. Di kasi ako naglo-looking for partner talaga na makakuha lang basta maganda, it's okay na. I'm dating to marry.
And your response to that, do you agree with him?
Wala na, ang haba na eh.
Okay, pero may comment ka ba on her popping because of Gail?
Yeah, may comment ako doon. So, it depends kasi. So, ginudge mo kaagad ako na mahangin ako. So, hindi mo pa naman totally ako kilala for me. Kasi, I never judge kasi. Totally, I never judge the book by its cover.
In this case, type mo ba sana siya kung hindi ka niya ipapop sana?
Yeah, type ko siya. Type ko siya. Totally, literally the color is morena kasi.
Does that change your mind at all?
Well, he's my type too, so.
Ano ba yan?
Pero hindi na, wag na.
Sure?
Sure.
Sure na?
Sure.
Okay. Oh, so we still have 2 balloons left. So this time, sila naman na magtatanong ng questions sa'yo to help them figure out if you're a good match for them.
Ganyan ba talaga yung suot mo most of the time? In a daily basis?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh. Okay, ba't ka bigla nag-pop?
Ganyan din kasi yung mga friends ko. So parang ang magiging vibe lang din namin dalawa is parang friends lang din.
Ano bang preference mo kapag naging girlfriend mo? Like what kind of outfits or...
Ayun, hindi ko naman dinidikta yung babae kung anong gusto niyang pananamit. Yung sa culture namin sa Batangas na kung ano yung turo ng pare. Hindi ako religious ha. Kumbaga, yung sa environment na nakalakihan ko, ang mga babae doon is typical na province yung mga damit. Yung sa kanya kasi is ano talaga, typical na BGC girl, ganyan. Tapos, yung mga napapanood ko sa mga TV, kasama sila Shanty Dope, mga ganyan mga vibes.
Do you get that a lot? Or do you have any response to what he said?
Well, I love...
Yeah, you're beautiful.
Oh, thank you. You're handsome too.
Ay, pasirat.
Sure ka na doon. Mamaya, balloon back na naman to, ah.
Hindi na, sayang ang mga lobo.
Okay. Oh, do you have any response to what he said? Any comments?
Well, I love dressing like this ever since
Okay.
I was a teenager. So, hindi ako magbabago for you. This is me.
Yeah, that's your preference.
Yeah.
I respect that.
Bye. Yes.
Oh, pero hindi ka naman galit.
I'm not mad.
Okay.
Pero kasi 2026 na eh. Dapat accept mo na ganitong pananamit, bruh.
Accept naman, hindi lang talaga tayo match.
Okay. Next.
Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, it seems we have 1 balloon left. So please join us over here. Dito ka na mag-question. Woohoo! Okay, so anong question mo for Sexy Single?
Since you have a psychology background, right? For conflict resolutions, do you allow your emotions to go with the conflict, or you cool down first and then resolve the conflict?
Most of the time, cool down lang talaga ako. Kasi mahinaan akong tao. So yeah, cool down lang ako.
Okay. Any follow-up?
Yun muna for now.
Okay. How about you? Meron ka pang final question for him?
Do you think your parents will like me even if I dress like this? Look at my back. So sexy.
My parents are very,
Supportive?
yeah, very supportive. They're very open. I have a younger sister who more or less just similar, di ba? So, they're very progressive naman. They accept everybody.
Okay, that's good.
Alright, so kung wala na kayong final questions pa, I'm gonna ask you guys now. Never mind, meron pa rin.
On the topic of parents, di ba? So, how is your relationship with your family?
My family, they are so very supportive in everything that I do, like the way I dress. They're not mad at me because I'm beautiful and confident at the same time.
Go! But are you close to your parents?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what I wanted to
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think that's it for now.
So, if there are no more final questions from either end, I'm gonna ask you guys now. Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Yeah, I'd like to get to know her more.
Okay, and sure ka na ba sa kanya?
No.
Oh, okay, you can go ahead and pop.
Thank you, Pare.
Okay, so bakit ka biglang nag-pop?
It's not my type.
Oh,
Sorry.
Anything specific about him that you're not into?
He's not that masculine for me.
Okay. Do you get that a lot? Do you agree?
I understand that I don't really present myself as, say, someone who's more macho or more professional, but that's because I'm comfortable in my own skin. Parang ikaw. I like wearing the clothes that I wear because it's comfortable and functional. So, ayun, di ba?
But you stand by that?
Okay, but you're not my type. Sorry.
Okay. Pero ikaw, type mo ba sana siya?
Personality medyo needs compromise, but I mean, she's pretty.
Thank you.
Alright, well, unfortunately, wala tayong match for this round, but thank you so much, both of you, for joining, and I hope you can join us again next time. Thank you! Thank you! And that has been our show. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more of our episodes. Join us again next time for more Pusoan or